Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cooking with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Yeah, so in this video, I'm showing you how to revive your food. Yeah, about to revive our food. No matter how many days the food is, you can revive it and make it look fresh again. Let's do this. What? As you can see, I have this is shea butter oil. This is some dry bean stew I did the other day. This is rice. You can see they all dried up, and 2 eggs, and some onion. And over here I have some pepper sauce. This very hot pepper. Yeah. Okay, so let's do this. So I'll be using the shea butter oil to do the reviver. I'm adding my onions to it. Okay, so we are just reviving our food, making a remix. So if you want some of the shea butter oil, just DM me. I can put some to you. If you're in UK, I can send some to you. And if you're in Ghana and you want it large quantity too, I can give you some. So I'll stir it up real quick. Rice will go in like that, and I'll make sure that I stir everything nicely. Yeah, so the main reason or the motive behind this is just to have a refreshing food again, okay? At least, even if you don't have any stew to eat with this rice, with the oil and the onion again, to make it refreshing once again, yeah? So it's more like making like a fried rice kind of. I'll add in my 2 eggs. So this is the egg, and I'm adding just a little bit of salt to it. Then I beat it up. So before the stew comes, the egg will go inside so that it will have the mix with the rice. Okay, to form the bond with the rice, have communication with the rice, to make friendship with the rice. Yeah, so going like this. Now I mix it like this. Even with this, you can choose not to add your stew to it, because more or less you have, or if you have any vegetables, you can add it to it and make your kind of dish. Now I'll add a bit of the pepper sauce. This is hot chili, very hot chili. Something small. You don't want to burn your mouth, okay? So something small. Then now I'll add in the beef stew. So this is a food remix, and you see how it is. It is what it is, yeah. So I have my refreshing, the remix food over here. The remix food over here, Oracle, man. So it basically is rice and the bean stew being remixed. Wow. If you have other vegetables, you can just add in. You can put the spoon aside, then go with your hand. Has been washed already, yeah? So squeeze it like this, like banku, you see? Eating hot should be a habit for every youth. You know, when eating, you need to make sure that your eating attracts someone. It's like when you go to church, they tell you that your lifestyle should attract your brother. Yeah, your lifestyle should attract a brother so that the brother will come to Christ. It's the same thing. The way you eat should attract a person. It should motivate someone who has lost appetite to eat. If the way you eat don't motivate anyone, then bro, you are not eating. You need to check your eating. As they say, if your lifestyle is not attracting anyone, you need to check your life. Yeah, check the way you eat. Alright, yeah, I'm almost done with the rice and the beans remix. And man, you should let your eating be a living testimony. Man, I'm fucking tired. I just came back from work. Let's do this again for shizzle my nizzle.